Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all backup methods on the TECNO Spark 30C. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings and we can begin with the backup using the TECNO ID or TECNO account. So it's right in here. You need to create yourself an account. Now scroll down a little bit and click on TECNO Cloud. Now backup and recovery. You can enable also the auto backup. In here you need to click on allow, allow and allow. So you can read about the auto backup. Your data will be automatically backed up every 7 days with your device charged, connected to a Wi-Fi network and screen locked. If you want, you can enable it. And below we have the button to manually start the backup. As you can see, the backup is successful. Below also we have option to restore data, and our backup is stored in the cloud. Okay, so that's how you can create a backup using the TECNO Cloud. But also we can create a backup using the Google. So simply scroll down into the bottom, click on System, scroll down again. Now click on Backup to Google Drive, enable for photos and videos and other device data. Click on Confirm. Now we need to give access to photos. Now click on Manage Backup. And now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged in, and below also we have our free space on the account storage. Make sure that also that Google Backup by Google One is enabled right in here. And remember that in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. Okay, now to start this process, you need to click on Backup now. Now we need to wait until we see a thin little bar. Okay, this bar right in here. You can see that it's starting to fulfill, and when it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is successfully made. So now let's wait until this process is finished. Okay, now you can see on the bottom of the screen that your data has been backed. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.